So suppose such types of functions, these functions lies in the principal value. So I want this is not a proper questions, but I want to describe how can we solve such types of questions. Okay. So suppose I will give you some questions. Suppose sine inverse of cos x. Suppose simple questions I will give you. How can solve? Suppose cos x is nothing but if this function sine inverse of sine x, okay, simple x, but this is the cos x. So we can convert sine cos x into sine x. Yeah, sine inverse x into cos x. So it's better for our simplicity. We can easily convert cos x. Suppose cos x equal to 1 minus sine x sine square x. Okay. In this way, suppose I will draw simple approach. Cos x nothing but b by h. So b by h nothing but h in the b by h is nothing but x. So b is equal to x. I assume b is equal to x, and this is 1. So this value is what? 1 minus x square. Okay. So if you find the, because this is the sine inverse, for the remove sine inverse we can substitute cos x is equal to nothing but sum of sine theta, so that inverse can be removed and we will get the theta value. So for our simplicity we can simply sine something is theta. Sine theta is what we can see here. Sine theta is nothing but p by h. P is here what? 1 minus x square by h is nothing but. So simply 1. So if you can put in this value sine inverse of sine this value, what? 1 minus x square. Simply. So after solving you will get only 1 minus x square. Understand? This is the simple approach. Similarly, you can get, suppose question, another questions. Tan inverse of sine 3x. I will give. So how can you solve? Same way. If you put here sine theta is what? P by h. P is nothing but 3x, h assume 1. Then this value is what? 1 minus 9x square. This is the tan function. The tan function is the inverse function. So we can substitute sine 3x is nothing but in the function of tan theta. Okay. So from this we can assume here tan theta is what? 3x b by p by b, so under root 1 minus 9x square. Now theta is equal to, we can assume here tan inverse, if you tan theta is nothing but, so this case, so we can put here sine 3x barabar tan theta, nothing but this, you can say here tan inverse of 3x by under root 1 minus 9x square. What can you say? This is tan in the tan form, so this can be removed. Whether you will ask in the tan function of sine inverse 3x, similarly this can be removed, this can be removed, you will use it. So this is another function, this is q1 q2. So you can solve these functions and these functions. How can we? This is the same approach, but you have to take care about whether this function is defined when. So you have to remember about the criteria, that is the principal value of the given functions. Okay. So this is nothing but the inverse of the functions. You can solve more questions about this, but I will give you some graph more about the inverse of the trigonometric functions. Suppose you can assume here sine inverse of sin x. What is the graph of these functions? Graphical approach. Graphical. Okay. Consider, see here, sin x is defined for all value, whether minus including infinity. But we know that sin inverse of sin x is nothing but x. X is a linear function. So this is a straight line passing through the origins. So but sin inverse x maximum value is minus pi by 2 pi by 2, okay? But sin x all real value. See, so you can see here this graph is nothing but like that. Suppose this function, yeah, straight lines passing through. Sin x is all real value. In this way, this will approach here. This will approach here. This will. This is nothing but minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. This is minus pi by 2 pi by 2. This function is what? Sin inverse x, sin 0. Sin 0, what we say? You can say 0. That is the one. This value is something. You can put sin pi by 2. This value nothing but pi by 2. We will get the pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 1, sin inverse 1 pi by 2. So in this way you can be pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is the 4 pi. In the similar way, you can draw cos inverse of cos x. If you draw cos inverse of cos x graph, you will see here in such a way you can nothing but in this way. First 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and in so. Okay. 0 put you 0. Okay, this is pi by 2, pi by 2. This is it. In this way you can find the graphical functions of the cos inverse of okay, so cos inverse is even functions, so don't worry about that. So tan inverse x, you can similarly draw tan inverse x and cos inverse x. Okay, so this value is nothing but x only. This is the linear functions. You can draw in the similar manner. Understand? This is 0 to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is pi by 2. So on, so on, so on. So I will give you one questions. This value. So find cos inverse x cos 12 plus sin inverse of sin 12. This is the questions. How can you solve such types of questions? Similar way, you can sin inverse of sin 10 plus cos inverse of cos 10. These two questions you have to find. So how can you? I will give you this answer. This becomes 0. Sorry, just remove such types. So I will give you the answer. First one answer is 0. How 0? You can, but basic concept is you put the value must be lie in the principal value. Okay. So principal value for the sine function, I will give you sine inverse function. What? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. For the cos inverse function, this is nothing but 0 to pi. You have to apply this concept and you can find the value in the similar way. What is the value? I will tell you. This answer, cos inverse cos 12 plus sin inverse sin 12 0, and sin of sin 10 plus cos inverse of cos 10 equal to what? You have to find, and if you find, then write in the comment box. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the session, and in the next sessions I will solve more problems, whether it ask in the competitive exams, board level up to all the level. You can solve any types of questions. Okay, So please subscribe my channel and watch my video. Thank you for watching my video.